How to access device management on Crunchyroll. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So here you can view and manage the devices connected to your account. First of all, go to the Crunchyroll website and make sure that you are logged into your Crunchyroll account. Once done so, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen and from there you will get to see a drop down menu appear. Now from the drop down, tap on the settings option available there and navigate to the settings of Crunchyroll. Now in the left hand menu, there you will get to see device management option available, tap on it. Once you tap on the device management, you will get to see the list of devices currently connected to your Crunchyroll account. I only have this device connected. So as you can see, you can view my device name, last access date and time. You can also click on remove or log out next to any suspicious or unused devices. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.